we've got somebody on here asking, where can we get a copy of this book, meaning the Incoterms actual published book published by the ICC. And you can actually purchase that. I saw that they are selling, maybe some third-party sellers are selling them on Amazon, but you can also purchase it direct from their website. I will send out a link when I send out the recording and the presentation for this. I'll send out a link so you can go out and purchase that book. We do recommend that you do purchase that. It goes very much more in depth on each of the Incoterms. Also, I wanted to point out that this actual chart, the chart of responsibility, what we call the chart of responsibility, you guys can download this online through our website. I'll send a downloadable PDF to you. But also, if you want to purchase some cardstock copies, we can sell those in bundles. So again, just contact me, Kim Taylor, and I can get you set up with shipping off several of these cardstock. They're very nice, durable Incoterms charts. And on the back of them, we also have a ocean, container, dimension, cheat sheet sort of thing. So let me know if you're interested in that.